Hola, Sol&LunaTV. Today we are in Pasonanca Park, in Maria Clara Park, inside of Pasonanca.
Yes.
Sol&LunaTV. And we are here to talk to our Chavacano people, because all Chavacano people are our people, okay?
Yes. Self-proclaimed Chavacano.
Self-proclaimed from Zamboanga City, Sol and Luna.
Yes.
So we're gonna have like a little Spanish versus Chavacano moment. And yeah, let's do that.
Yes. This video is gonna have around 3 different parts. In the first part, we are going to show them pictures and they have to say how do they call that in Chavacano, and we have to say how do we call it in Spanish. In the second part, they're going to read phrases in English and then translate to Chavacano, and we are going to translate to Spanish. And in the last part, we are going to have free conversation to see if we can understand each other.
With that being said, let's start.
Yes.
So we are here with
J. Marie.
J. Marie, new speak Chavacano.
Yes.
And
Lourdes.
Lourdes. I love her name. So la primera first image is this. How do you say this in Chavacano?
Casa.
Oh, it's the same in
It's
Spanish.
the same in Spanish.
It's casa. Wow.
Okay.
For now, it's very similar. Next.
It's coche.
Ah,
Auto. Coche in Filipino language. Auto.
auto.
In Spanish we say carro.
Depends. Auto también,
Auto
pero
y coche, yes, but they are like
less used.
not common as carro.
Yeah. Next.
Caballo.
Paris. What is this?
What's
Paris?
that?
Tell it. What is this? What's that? Tell it.
Caballo.
You see caballo.
Habla Paris.
For now, it's the same too. We say caballo.
We say caballo. No caballo.
Yeah, depends on the country. We can say caballo or caballo. Depends. Next picture.
Tagalog.
It's toyo.
Toyo. So
Soy
is
sauce?
this come
Soy
from?
sauce.
Is this a word like borrowed from Tagalog?
No, toyo in
The
Chavacano.
same.
Oh.
Chavacano.
We say
Salsa de soya for us.
Soya.
Sí.
Soya means to say sausawan. Igual lang.
Próxima.
Flores.
Oh,
we say
flores también. Okay, so flores es
is
lo
the
mismo. Siguiente.
It's familia.
Familia.
Ah, but you spell it with P.
Yeah,
F?
familia.
Ah, but you pronounce it
But in
familia.
Tagalog, it's spelled P.
P.
Also.
In Tagalog is familia.
P. We didn't know that.
Claro, capamilia.
It's true.
Grabe.
Oh.
Next.
Pelo.
Pelo.
Yes.
Sí.
¿Qué?
Largo pelo.
Wow, es lo mismo.
It's the
Dios
same.
mío, yo no sabía. This.
Bag.
Bag.
Bag. You use the English. You use the
Yes,
English
yes.
word.
Nosotros decimos
Cartera. Interesting.
They say bag.
They say bag in Chavacano. Next.
Room, di ba?
Clase.
Yes.
Ah, okay. El aula.
But wait, the whole school, how
No,
do you
de
call it?
el aula que yo.
Wayland. The whole school, how do you call it?
No, like-
the school building.
La escuela, entiendo.
Oh, escuela.
Escuela.
Yes,
Ah.
escuela.
And then the room
Is clase.
room
Ah.
is clase. Ah.
That's like in Portuguese. In Portuguese, you say clase for the aula and aula for the clase.
We say aula for the room.
Exactly.
And escuela for the whole building.
And clase is the lessons.
Clase is the lessons. Yes.
And that's how we have backwards. Next.
Cuarto.
Yeah. Sola.
Na mi cuarto.
Okay, we say cuarto too, but
Also
The
habitación.
most common is habitación, like the formal word is habitación.
Yeah. Cuarto is a bit informal. Interesting. So now let's say few
Compare
phrases.
phrases.
Let's compare phrases. Don't worry, there are only 10.
How do you say how much
How
is
much
it?
is it? How did you say in Chavacano?
¿Cuánto es?
¿Cuánto?
¿Cuánto este?
Como te agarras
¿Cuánto
tú,
este?
Ah,
Oh.
we say
¿Cuánto es? Nosotros solamente. Oh, interesting. ¿Cuánto este? Te in this case is like this.
No,
Esto.
¿cuánto este?
Ah.
Yeah, like they say
Ah.
este instead of es.
Oh, okay. Next phrase. I'm going to visit my uncle.
Itu.
Ya anda yo visitar na di mi uncle.
Anda yo visitar
Di
na.
mi tío.
De mío tío.
Anda yo visitar na di mi tío.
Oh, de mi tío.
In
Ah.
Spanish we say
Voy a
voy a
visitar
visitar
a
a
mi
mi
tío.
yeah.
Casi, almost.
Because you say ando.
Anda yo.
Anda yo.
Anda yo visitar
Mío tío.
mío tío. Wow. Very, very similar. Next phrase. I study in Ateneo de Zamboanga University.
Ta estudiayo na Ateneo de Zamboanga University.
Ta estudia yo na. Oh,
In
en
Spanish is simpler. It's
yo
yo
estudio en Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Universidad de Ateneo de Zamboanga. Ta estudia yo. Wow. Okay. Next phrase.
Quería tomar agua.
Oh. Very
We say
similar.
quiero beber agua.
Ajá. O quiero tomar también. Quiero tomar agua.
Yeah.
So en Chavacano es quiere yo tomar. Oh, very interesting. Next.
What?
My grandmother is from Spain.
Oh,
Running.
mi abuela is from Spain. Mi abuela is de Spain.
Oh, so you say Spain, not España.
Oh, yeah, España.
España.
Yeah.
Mi abuela.
España. Yeah.
En español es
People
mi
say-
abuela es de España.
Sí,
Yeah.
the phrase is exactly the same.
Yes.
But they say abuela.
Yeah.
Abuela.
We say
Abuela.
abuela.
Y nosotros, abuela.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Next phrase. This shirt is too expensive.
Camisa is very
Bien caro.
bien caro.
Okay.
Bien caro.
Bien
Ah.
caro. Este camisa bien, caro.
Oh, nosotros,
Kasi in English.
nosotros decimos esta camisa
Esta
Yeah.
camisa
es
cara.
Cara.
es muy cara, muy.
Muy caro.
Ah, no, this one, I love you.
Oh, mi amor.
Yeah, mi amore.
Mi amore, for I love you.
like
My
Italian.
love.
Ah. Oh, wow, very different.
We say te amo.
Te amo.
Just like the same. Yes.
Also say te amo.
Ah, wow. I like spicy food.
And kahang.
Quiero yo cajan comida.
Cajan comida. Quiere yo cajan comida.
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 Food.
Sí. Nosotros decimos, me gusta la comida picante.
Yeah, picante. Spicy. Yes.
Cajan es picante. Wow. Next, waiter, please bring the check.
Vidoro. Sí, Vidora. Dale conmigo el cheque.
Dale con el check.
Oh, wow.
It's simpler.
It's simpler.
Yeah. Nosotros venimos diciendo camarero o camarera. Por favor, traiga la cuenta. Wow, qué diferente.
Spanish is hard.
This is the last one, I think.
Yeah, the last one and the most difficult.
She dances salsa.
Tabailale salsa.
Ah?
Tabailale salsa.
Bailale.
Salsa. Salsa
Oh.
is dance.
Bailar.
Dance. Under dance kasi el salsa.
Oh, nice.
En español es ella baila salsa.
Yeah.
Sí, wow, so cool. So now can you just speak Chavacano to see if we can understand?
Yeah, you can have a conversation with
Say something, whatever you want.
Okay.
¿De dónde ustedes?
De República Dominicana. Sí.
¿Cuántos años ya ustedes?
Ay, no
Ten-
pregunte.
Tenemos 37 años. Sí. ¿Y ustedes?
Yo 21.
Oh,
Yes.
wow,
Yo
jovencita.
37.
Ay, lo mismo. Qué
Yeah.
bueno. ¿Y ustedes viven cerca de aquí?
Sí.
Ah,
Sí.
Voy a hacer.
Ah. ¿Vienen aquí a hacer ejercicio?
Sí.
Sí.
Ya anda con ella. Sí, aquí
Yeah,
doy, anda
yeah.
con Dari.
An exercise.
Ya.
Ah, ya entiende mucho español, entiende. Wow.
Ya te entendí.
¡Qué chulo! ¿Algo que quieras preguntar?
No se me ocurre nada.
¿Y tú? Preguntar.
No hay más.
No hay más
Más
preguntas.
preguntas.
Oh my God, but thank you so much. Muchas gracias por estar en el
Este
video.
momento con nosotras.
Espero que el Chavacano siga preservándose aquí en Zamboanga.
Yes.
A enseñarle Chavacano a los niños. Por
Mira,
favor. Hola.
Thank you.
Gracias, gracias. Y gracias también a ustedes por ver
This
este
was
video.
very interesting. I'm in awe
Yes.
about the Chavacano language.
I see that they understand a lot of Spanish.
Yeah, it's really like all the words are really in Spanish. It's just the way to express is different. And even though we express it in the different order and we have a different accent, like they can still understand what we're saying and we can still understand what they're saying. So it's amazing like how you can communicate with people even though you are not speaking exactly their language, just because it's very similar.
Thank you so much to everyone who support our channel, especially our patrons Belki, Emilio, Val, Mike, JT, Fred, Gabriel, and David Sanz. Also, huge shout out to our certified and verified Sol&Lunatics, especially Cherry Flor, Janice, Kenneth, Brian Cabusora, Clen Jen, Eggy, Tish21, Yokagi-san, Stelberry Jen, Ubeja Lia, Jan JT Teodoro, Darth Rager, WV, Lovelia Joseph, Richmond 27, Sawi, Roalf, Cara Filipino, Tita Weng, and Cherbon. I had so much fun doing this video today.
Yes. And you will have so much fun by watching
This
this
video
video
appears right here, recommended
Especially
for
for
you.
you.
So click on it
right now.